This vehicle is a 2001 Buick Regal LS with 67,085 miles. Brought to you by Desert Auto Gallery. This Buick is a 4-door vehicle with 6 cylinders. This vehicle is for sale for only $4,995. For more information, please visit us at desertautogallery.com or call us at 760-844-3929. Thank you for watching our video.